Can your store handle customers at 2 a.m.? Now it can. Meet Haleria, the AI-powered sales and support chatbot that works as your store's smartest, most tireless team member. Your customers don't shop on a schedule. 3 a.m. order? Sunday query? No problem. Haleria works. A customer finds something they love and it's in their cart instantly. Haleria's quick add to cart turns browsing into buying in a single click. Just a fast, frictionless shopping experience that drives more sales automatically. I need something stylish and comfortable, under $20. Haleria AI understands, filters, recommends. Customers don't have to search. Haleria finds it for them. Where is my order? That question never reaches your team again. Customers simply ask Haleria and get a real-time update, instantly, dispatched, shipped, out for delivery, all in one place in 1 second. Free up your support team for what actually matters. Some customers want a deal before they commit, and Haleria knows how to handle that. The smart negotiation feature listens to customer offers and closes deals within your defined limits. No over-discounting, no back-and-forth delays, just more conversions on autopilot. Install Haleria AI Sales and Support app today and give your store the smart team it deserves.